Hello guys, I want to use this opportunity to invite you to Godswill Hustle community. But before that, I would like to tell you what this community is all about. On this community is where I share my experience concerning how to make money online. Because I've been running a blog now and also YouTube, including Facebook. So I'm going to be sharing my experience. And guess what? This community is 100% free. On this community, you can drop your question. So I might not be the one to answer your question, but the member can actually assist. I'm going to be also sharing to you guys how I make my editing. Like this video that you're watching now, you can see the background, but let me show you the real background. Okay, now this is the real background. And also let me take you to my website, godswillreview.com. On this my website, at the home page, you can actually see YouTube, Godswill Hustle. This is a logo that I customized, and when uploading it on my blog, I turn it into a link. I'll be sharing to you how you can turn image to link, clickable link, even a text into a link. Everything that you know might be confusing you on blogging, I'll be sharing. And finally, please, if you are joining this group, note, don't insult anyone, even though you know more than them. Once they drop their question, if you have the answer to give them, you can actually give them, but don't insult anybody. I will highly encourage you to do so. So guys, please, all I demand from you guys is to actually share this video right now. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so YouTube is going to notify you whenever I drop a new video like this.